2 Chronicles 7:14. If my people who are called by my name will humble themselves, pray, seek my face, and turn from their wicked ways, then I will hear from heaven, will forgive their sin, and heal their land. Nung sa Sodom and Gomorrah, di ba? Sabi ni Lord kay Abraham, di ba? Dahil nakiusap ka, kung may 10 na righteous, hindi ko gigibain ang Sodom at Gomorrah. Ako'y naniniwala, sinasabi ng Panginoon, despite yung pinagdadaanan natin at despite po yung flood control, yung massive corruption, sinasabi ni Lord, maraming nagmamahal sa akin sa Pilipinas, kaya hindi ko gigibain ang Pilipinas. That the Lord of hosts is saying that you, my people, called on my name. You humbled yourself. You prayed. You sought my face. You turned from your wicked ways. Therefore, I want you to see how the land is being healed. Hindi, ang sinabi lang ni Lord, if all my people. So it doesn't matter kung 10 lang tayo. Kung 100 lang tayo, what matters is we are His people. We are obedient and we know who is on the throne.